Lovely day, clear white sands. Down there it says Nova Beach Club. So if you're down here, Playa Bibi Agua. This lady always looks after me.
Hi.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Noemí, Restaurante Nova.
So man's out here, Bavaro Beach. It is absolutely baking. Got them fucking drug dealer glasses.
So welcome to the Restaurante Nova. My name is Catherine. We will be waiting for you, for us. So my partner Noemi and Maria.
This is the food that they got here. A nice salad. Camarones.
Welcome one more time, my friend, to Dominican Republic. I'm Mr. Chocolate. We got all activities like a party boat, parasailing, Dumbagi, zipline, horses, Saona Island, Santo Domingo, Samana. Any activities you want to do, you just come into Punta Cana. Bibi Agua is the name of the place. You look it for Mr. Chocolate, or you call me Whistler. But I know you're gonna remember Mr. Chocolate. Thank you for coming. Not forget the name. Thank you for coming.
Yeah, so for all your excursions, everything, my guy, Whistler. Yeah, he's the guy. He's got all the boats, everything. Boat parties, horse riding, island trips, everything. Holler at him. And obviously, mention me and he'll hook you up. See, these are just one of the things that he's got. The banana boat. A mad thing.
What you know about double four? You know about Rambo's shot that off. Chicken, my name start ringing. And decided from young, me and man, I'm back for the women. Let's do it, air on the limit. I was out there trying to shake him down. You see a bad one, shake it down. This music thing's gonna take him off when you got beat it out. Facts.
I hit the rave and shut it down. I moved the big
Big man.
we not the friends. Them pussy not the cash. When you know about squash. I be a right when they put on the block. Oh na na na, oh na na.
aquel